Yes, welcome to this video wherein I'll be discussing the introduction part 2 of the chapter Introduction to Graphs for class 8 mathematics. My name is Twinkle, I'm from Maths Made Easy, and let's first discuss about the line graph. If you remember in the previous video too, we have discussed about the line graph. One thing, if I notice, line graph is about telling us what is the trend. Like if you look at the example that I've given here is, this is representing a time here and a temperature. Let's say this is representing the temperature of a patient between this whole time from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. Okay, from 9 a.m. till 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. the temperature was increasing. Yes, so the trend that I can see it was increasing, right? Then from 10 to 11, I see again that again the temperature is increasing, right? So the trend is there of increasing. And similarly, from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., the trend is constant. From 2 to 3, the trend again changes. It is increasing, right? So line graph is wherein I get to know what is the trend, right? Then there comes a very special category, which is a type of line graph only, and I call it a linear graph. Linear graph क्या होता है? Just think of the case wherein the trend is constant. It is fixed. Yes, if it is increasing, it is increasing only. If it is decreasing, it's decreasing only. Yeah, because if you look here, line graph. This example is particularly an example of broken lines. ये कैसा इट इज लाइक योर लाइन हैज गॉट ब्रोकन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स या यहाँ से टूटा यहाँ से टूटा एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर यू सी दिस इज लाइक अ ब्रोकन लाइन बट व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लीनियर ग्राफ it is about the line segments all joined consecutively and they are such that they form unbroken line. Such a graph is called linear graph, right? So let's just look at few examples. Like you see, let's say somewhere, as the time is passing, yeah, let's say this is about the time, this is the temperature. My temperature of a patient is go decrease and it go decrease, right? Or let's just take a temperature of a hot water. As time will pass, the temperature will decrease. And then let me take the case, okay, it is fixed. Yes, like a person traveling to different cities. Okay, so as the time is passing, the speed is same. Speed constant raha. This is an example of constant. Okay, this is also possibility as the time is passing, something is increasing, and this is also one type of the graph. They all represent the linear graphs. Okay, if you notice what is fixed here, trend is constant. Yeah, I don't say the function is constant. क्या कहना का मतलब trend क्या मतलब होता है? When I mean by trend, I mean if it is increasing, if it is decreasing, so it is only decreasing. If it is increasing, it is just increasing. If it is, you see, constant, it is constant. Again, for this case, it is constant at this value, right? Okay, then let's understand हम कैसे plot कर सकते हैं. How about plotting a point on xy plane, right? Okay, the plane along with x-axis, this is x-axis, right? And this is what we call is y-axis, is called Cartesian plane. Yes, इसको हम Cartesian plane भी कहते हैं, coordinate plane भी कहते हैं. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. You look at this point, this blue color point is called origins because यहाँ से सब कुछ शुरू होता है, यहीं से we take the distance and everything, and the coordinates of this is 0, 0, right? A pair of two numbers x and y listed in specific order is called x, y. हमने इसी को तो plot करना है x, y, where x at first place and y at second place. Like for example, I take this point. Now, how do I reach this point? Huh? This is x, y. And let's say its position is 2, 1. अब यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचना है? Look, see its distance from x-axis is how much? 1. This is 1 and this is 2. To make it more clear and simple, let's just do few questions, okay? Like I have this graph. Again, this is origin. Now suppose I want to plot that same point. Let me take 3, 2. how to reach this point, okay? Firstly, what you can see is 3. See, this first point corresponds to x. This point corresponds to y. That means this much 3 distance, 3 steps along x-axis, 2 steps along y-axis. This is giving us the direction to reach there, okay? See, if it is positive, I will move in this direction. If this number, okay, if this is positive at x, I move in this direction. If it is negative, I move in this direction. If this is positive, I move up. If this is negative, I move in downward direction, right? Let's take an example like it is 3, 2. So I see here 3 steps along x-axis, right? So let's move from here. So this is 1 step. I reached 1 step, 2, then 3. All right. So 3 steps covered. Great. Now 2 steps along y-axis. That means 2 steps along y-axis means upward direction, vertically up, and it is positive. So vertically up, right? So I move up 1 step and 2 step. For reference, you see here, okay, this, okay, great, I have covered 1 step here and then 2 steps here. What is this point now? 3, 2, we have reached it. Let's just name it. I say, okay, it is A. Okay, I put this name here, it is A, and its location is 3, 2. Let's do one more point. I see -2, 4. Okay, now just look at this. This corresponds to X. This corresponds to Y. Let me name it like a B. So X is -2. I told you, if it is -2, I start from my origin. From origin, 2 steps, but in negative direction. That means horizontally in this direction. Let's move it. Okay, let me just change the color of my pen. Yeah. So if I move in this direction, 1 step and then 2 steps. So here I reach. This is my 2 steps in this direction because it is negative here. We also look -2 here, right? Now 4. Why is 4? That means vertically up. Okay, so let me reach up. Let's go up 1 step, 2, 3 step, and 4 steps. So this is 4 step here. I reach here. So what is this point? This is -2, 4. And I name it, this is B, right? Similarly, let's go for, I see now 2, -2, okay? This point, I call it, let's say C. I want to plot this point, okay? I take in -2, -2, -2, okay? So to see this point, where is this? Okay, this corresponds to X. This corresponds to Y. If it is X is -2, that means what? Again, yes, I will move in this direction 2 steps. 2 again, -2, again 2 downward here. So this is where I reach. This point is what? -2, -2, and this is C. Yeah. अच्छा देखो, it is not necessary while you're plotting the points आप ये lines draw करो. आई देखो, it's actually क्या होता है, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी बन जाती when we are making it without scale, right? But important is what you understanding. I'll just show you. Like अगर मैं D point अभी मैं draw करूँ, like I say my D point is 3, -2. I will draw it without lines. Okay, let's just do this. Yes. So it is X is 3, Y is -2. If X is 3, I move steps along horizontally here in this direction, right? So 1, 2, 3. 3 steps done. -2. I should go up or down? Yeah, we will go down. -2, that means 1 step, 2 steps. So I reached here. So this is what? This is 3, -2. And this is D. Great. So what all we have learned, let's just revise back. We have learned, okay, why are we using line graphs, right? You know, in many companies as well, we use line graphs to see the trend. Okay, this year to this year, what was the trend of the sales and next year, right? Then that we read was a linear graph, a special case of line graph. Linear graph is wherein we discuss, okay, if the trend is, it is the fixed, either it is increasing, decreasing, constant or constant. Perfect? Yes. So this is what we have read, and very important, we read about plotting a point, how step by step we reach a point. Great. I hope you liked my video. Do not forget to like my video and do share your learnings in the comment box. All right. I'll be bringing up many more such videos so that you benefit a lot. Thank you so much.